Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Intercom CRM handoff data to HubSpot step by step clearly. Log into your Intercom account. Navigate to the settings menu in the bottom left corner. Select the data export option from the menu. Choose the type of data you want to export. In this case, we need the handoff data. Click on the export button to generate the data file. Once the export is complete, download the CSV file to your computer. Now, log into your HubSpot account. Go to the Contacts section in HubSpot. Select the option to import data. Choose Start an Import. Select File from My Computer to upload your CSV file. Click on Next to proceed with the import. Map the fields from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. Ensure all necessary fields are correctly matched. Review the import settings and make any adjustments if needed. Click on the Import button to begin the uploading process. Wait for the import to finish. This may take a few minutes depending on the file size. Once completed, check the Contacts section in HubSpot to verify the successful import. Look for your handoff data to ensure everything transferred correctly. If you encounter any errors, review the CSV file for formatting issues. Adjust as needed and re-import if necessary. Congratulations, you have successfully backed up your Intercom CRM handoff data to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.